Special buys. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. While supplies last, valid through July 15th. U.S. only. See store for details.
Yes, ma'am. This RV has it all. California King in the back, state-of-the-art dinette hub.
Sweet.
Well, how does 10% financing sound?
Oh, Larry, Lawrence. Thanks to the tools and help on Experian.com, I know I have a 798 FICO score. So try again.
How does that sound?
That's the sound of my interest rate going down. According to this Experian score alert, my FICO score is now 816.
816?
816!
FICO scores are used in 90% of credit decisions, so get your credit swagger on. Go to Experian.com, become a member of Experian Credit Tracker, and take charge of your score.
Coming up, the forecast from the Ohio Valley Medical Center and East Ohio Regional Hospital Weather Center.
Ohio Valley weather.
Early day fog on this Thursday morning gives way to a partly sunny sky. A stray afternoon shower can't be rolled out. High temperature 77. Tonight, variably cloudy, low 58. Friday, partly sunny. A few showers possible towards evening. High 79. Outlook for the 4th of July. A few showers during the first half of the day. Otherwise, not too bad. Partly sunny with a high of 81. I'm Severe Weather Team 9 meteorologist Jeff Exxon.
This report is brought to you by new Belvita Breakfast Bites.
I had new Belvita breakfast bites this morning. Then what did I do? I got up, not late, found a shirt I didn't hate. Then I walked my dog and went for a jog. Okay, it was a fast walk. New Belvita bites, carefully baked to release 4 hours of steady energy. Morning win.
Go some more. I think they're all out. No. Just some more. They're all
Morning show's fitness expert, Anthony, with your Workout Wednesday update.
So I feel like it's really important to challenge yourself every now and then, which is why the last 2 videos I've posted to ElvisDuran.com are challenges for myself. The first one was me challenging myself to make it on American Ninja Warrior. I didn't make it, but you can check out my submission tape at ElvisDuran.com/workout. And the second video is of me doing the Charlie Hunnam Sons of Anarchy workout that I found in Men's Health. I've also posted a couple other challenges to my Instagram. If you go to Instagram.com/WorstAnthony, you can find them there. So get out there, challenge yourself, and you can find the videos at ElvisDuran.com/workout.
And I looked down at the hot dog and there was a face on it. Eyes, nose, a mouth. I had put the ketchup to where it looked like his hair. And he started telling me that I couldn't eat him. And he had a wife and 7 kids at home to support.
Elvis Duran in the morning show.
I can see a chicken. Oh, the big ones. The big white ones. Throw some more out. Is that the Oh, he's coming.
Oh.
The cat's scared. The cat whacked the chicken. Here comes the white one. Come on.
Go to rest, Becca. Get the one off the hood.
dipping in the pot of blue flow. Getting so good, it's dripping on wood. Get a ride in it, internet could go. Batman robbing it, bang bang cocking it, clean Nicky dominant, prominent. It's me, Joycey and Ari. If they test me, they sorry. Riders up like a Harley, then pull up in this Ferrari. If he banging, we banging. Phone ringing, he slinging. If they karaoke night, but get the mic 'cause we singing. To the A, to the N, to the G, to the to the A, to the N, to the G, to the bang, 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 bang.
Stay in the car.
The sizzling summer sales event at A&B Kia
in Benwood, West Virginia.
Brand new Kia Optimas starting at $21,650. Rebates up to $5,500. Lease a brand new 7-passenger Sorrento. Only $249 per month. Forte. Only $179 per month. 2015 Soul. Only $189 per month. Pre-owned vehicles with payments starting at $150 per month. Interest rates starting at 0.9%. Push, pull, or drag in that trade.
If it has wheels,
we'll take it. In the market for a pre-owned truck, A&B has half, 3/4, and 1 tons available. Any with aftermarket wheels and